Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add Amazon affiliate link to your Pinterest. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. At first, enter into your Amazon associate account, then click on any product that you want to share on Pinterest. So you can see that I have entered into a product. Now you can see a get link button here and a text button here. Click on text button. So this is your affiliate link, but before copying this affiliate link you have to just save this picture. Okay, let me save it here. Okay, now go to canva.com and search for Pinterest product template. After that there will be many product template. You can choose any of it. So let's choose this one. Click customize this template. Okay, I'm just showing it in a professional way. Then go to the upload option, then click upload files. Go to that file that you have just downloaded. Okay, so now just delete this. Now drag this here. Now just edit the text if you want. At first change the color, buy it now, like that. Delete the other text. You can also design it any other ways. Then go to the file option, then click download. Click download. You can see that it's downloading. So after downloading, go to the Amazon again. Then you have to just copy this affiliate link from here. Then go to the pinterest.com, login, then upload that particular picture that you have edited from canva.com. Then just paste your link to the description to buy it. That's how easily you can just add your affiliate link to your Pinterest. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.